Hello again. I'm Big O Lake Rider, and it is the day after our fishing trip to Fort Pierce. I went out yesterday with my daughter Melissa, son-in-law Eddie, and my grandson Wyatt, along with Jonathan and Kat. And we went out of the Fort Pierce Inlet. The seas were a little rough, and we were kind of skeptical of whether or not we were going to catch any fish, but it turned out to be a pretty good day while we kind of bounced around out there. And we caught a couple of cobia, a bunch of lane snapper, some sea bass, and my grandson caught about a 7-pound mutton snapper. So all in all, it was a great day of fishing. We all had a great time. We were kind of glad to get in because it was a little rough for us, but nonetheless, you kind of overlook all that when the fishing is good. What I also have for you is there was a 183-foot yacht that was being towed in from Fort Lauderdale to Fort Pierce yesterday. Captain Sean apparently was piloting that thing, and I do have a few stills of that. It was quite impressive. We were all trying to figure out how long that thing was, and we found some information on it on where was it, YouTube, or yeah, it might have even been Facebook, but it was a 183-foot yacht, sailing yacht, so that was quite impressive. Nonetheless, I hope you all enjoy the footage of us fishing out there at Fort Pierce. And so with that, I will get on to some of the video clips. Enjoy. We're at 12A Buoy right now, and we're going to do some French fishing today with the Frenchies. Loading it up, loading the boat. Eddie, Jonathan, Kat. Where's little Wyatt? There he is. Wyatt's ready to go too. Maybe.
I gotta look at my path. I bet it's cooked. There's no scratches. I thought you were gonna get a major bit. Oh, Daddy, there's deep ones in it. Look at the size.
Yep. Something ate after. You got him. Easy. Easy.
Wayne. Molly. Swallow. Not really. He's not cute. Feeling good. Like I should. Double around the. We can stay out here all day, you know? Feeling blessed. We might have to keep them.
Hold up.
Do they have to be 8?
Easy. A sea urchin and a sea bass.
A sea urchin! A sea urchin!
Let me see that thing, Eddie.
The sea urchin just come off.
That's not a. Is that sea bass? Or not? I still have bait.
Huh?
Get it. You have them. 100%.
You got him.
That's
Oh,
a better fish.
you got him.
That's a better fish.
A head shake on this. Yeah. Last. Sea bass.
I'm not gonna hit no credit.
I think you are, Wyatt. It's a lake. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Really good one.
Let's see that thing, Eddie. Oh, yeah.
Wyatt. Easy.
Better fish.
Maybe.
Stop.
It'll be fine.
It's not right like one is head shaking. You're fighting like a mango. Oh, big old lady. Catfish. Shut up.
Uh-oh.
Easy.
Easy, Wyatt. Easy.
Easy, easy.
Oh, yeah. Here, it's easy.
Big baits catch big fish.
All right.
Easy, Wyatt.
Easy.
Stop, I'm trying to crank them up.
You want me to grab this one? Easy.
Hey,
Jonathan, how one is it?
you got something
Jonathan,
on
we
it.
got 2.
Wyatt, you got the same fish. Real.
No. Don't keep the line up for me. I want to bite it myself.
Well, you better fight it and get it up.
Good
Oh,
Wayne.
there's Jonathan's.
Yeah.
Come on. It's easy to work.
Come on, Wyatt. Hey.
Come on.
Easy, Wyatt.
Don't jerk that thing off of there. Your hook ain't huge now.
You'll be.
You're almost to your top shot. Okay, come on. We're gaining.
Once he sees the boat, he's gonna go on a run. Something big.
I see it down
I
there.
see it. I see it.
Red snapper.
I don't know what that is.
Oh,
Is it
It
is
looks
it
like
a
a
tap?
snapper.
red snapper.
Easy, Wyatt.
I'm at the wait. Red snapper.
It's a red snapper, ain't it?
It's a big old wave.
Oh, it's a mutton.
Mutton!
Busted mutton.
Hold on, bro.
Oh my god,
Hold
Dad.
this.
Shit.
Let's see that, Eddie. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. man.
Heck yeah, dude.
Worth the trip.
That made it worth the trip right there. I told you it was a snapper. Heck yeah, dude. Hold on, Wyatt. Wyatt, watch the pole. Where's the pole? Put it in a rod holder. That's a good one, Wyatt.
Hold that up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo.
Right here. Right now. That's a 24-inch probably.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. There you go.
On the drift. That's awesome. Heck
Nice.
yeah, dude.
Nice.
What did you catch it on?
There you go. Easy.
The little boy's got another one.
Easy. Easy.
Did he come off? Nope. Still there.
Easy.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Nice. Nice.
Aggregate is 10 per person.
10 snapper per person, but okay.
What about lanes per person?
10.
10? Because I got a fish.
Why don't you lay up in the front? Go to sleep.
What you, did you?
See as we're doing all the work back here.
Oh. Just a little one. But
I'm throwing this one back.
yeah.
He's hooked good. Oh, Jonathan, get him!
Jonathan. Oh. Oh. You got it.
Oh, yeah.
Something had a hold of what I have. Probably another
Lane.
sea bass.
Dead weight?
No, it's a lane, probably. Or a small button.
Okay, good.
Wow, that's good.
See that
Look,
one,
he's
Ed?
lighting. He's lighting. Mommy, watch out, this big old wave coming. No, Daddy, I need you to go closer, Daddy. There's 10 of them.
You're so full of
There's
no,
no, I am not.
mahi.
Stand up, stand up.
Mahi. He's straight out.
There he is, right there.
Oh. Okay, this is stupid. What'd you catch, Mel?
Elaine!
Good job, Mel.
I'll move up there in a second.
They're going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down.
There's like 6 phobia.
That's maybe right.
It went from 4, 6, and 10 now.
I can see better from up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
See? I see him.
Go, go, go. That's maybe there's the other.
I'm gonna leave it if I can.
You see him?
Hold it. Hold it.
Let me get my sunglasses.
Oh shit.
Why is not?
Get on, John boy.
Johnny, you gotta flip and help me.
Yep.
Easy, Wyatt.
Yeah, hopefully your knots don't hold
Don't
that
force
reel.
it.
Don't
Don't
hold
force
that
it.
reel. Do not hold the reel. Still see him, John boy? How big is it, Wyatt?
Easy, Wyatt. It's not big.
It's not big.
I'm sure it's not. That's a keep.
That's a keeper all day.
Oh my God, the Stratic is putting up a fight.
The what?
The Stratic.
Oh.
I just bought this rod yesterday.
Oh, you did? Oh, there you go. Easy, Wyatt. Is it hooked pretty good?
Yeah. Hooked right in the jaw.
Easy, Wyatt.
Yeah.
30, what?
36.
I'm gonna try to get him in the lip.
I think he's.
$36 to the fork.
Do the fork.
He looks about 36. Just try to land him normally. Try to land him
I'm
normally.
gonna try to get this in his lip. Easy, Wyatt. Dad, take over.
No.
Not a chance, John boy. What?
You don't think it's 36? No, I don't think it is.
Hey, you need to get the line off the boat.
What do you think I'm doing? It's a flipping.
Hey, just listen to me and quit talking back.
Listen to your dad. How are you gonna free it? Come to the back. You can come to the back and put it in the back.
Oh!
Motherfucker!
Oh, shit. Dang.
Toe.
Don't hold the reel.
Hey, don't lose it.
that reel. What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing?
Trying to get him from under the boat. That's what I'm doing.
Hey, dude.
It's a flipping fish the size of me.
You need to be on the other side of the boat. The complete other side of the boat. Take that all the way around. Quit looking at the fish and fight it.
He's coming. I might need drag tight.
No, you don't need drag tight. Still see that turtle anywhere?
As you put it in here, they all went down together.
There was more than one turtle?
I
No,
told.
one big turtle.
I
but
told.
there's like
Six cobia.
Really?
I told you to drop it down. I dropped it straight down.
Wyatt, pay attention. Go to the back. Walk to the back.
There he is.
Oh, I don't think.
Try to land him. The paddle tail's off.
That's okay.
Okay. I like fighting them.
Eddie, turn around. Oh, yeah.
This pole.
Hey. Nice.
He's 30 minutes.
No way. Not even 33.
Get a picture with him, what? Close the fork?
No. Open fork. To the fork.
The spike's on him.
Watch it, Wyatt. Dad, come get a picture.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
You get your toe?
Oh, it feels funny. Feels real funny.
Hey, my back was hurting after that one.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
He's up. So.
Eddie's coming to you.
Is that a big beach?
Oh, man.
Ah, man.
Yeah! He ate the jig! Then you know me in, baby!
Oh,
Got
look
you
at
Remora,
Wyatt.
Wyatt. John Boy ain't got no remora. That's a good one. Big one, John Boy?
I don't know. I can't tell. I bet he's right there. Check your drag. Just want to tighten it. Look how loose it is.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it right.
I don't know, Eddie. He's a keeper. Holy shit, give me that reel.
Go back to your left. Go back to your left.
Here, I'll move this.
Yeah, he's a keeper for sure.
Oh yeah, I made it! Oh yeah!
Oh, fuck, Eddie.
Melissa.
Sorry.
Ah.
Oh, I missed him again!
No.
My bad. I ain't done it in a while.
Hey, yeah.
It's a tuna hook.
Oh, come on! You see what he did? He's smart.
I thought there was a shark underneath it.
Still see the leatherback, Wyatt? He's still around. I know. Yeah.
All right.
I need the thing open.
Flip it down, baby!
Close it, close it.
On that!
Big one.
Dad, get a picture of that leatherback.
There he is.
Big one under it.
Look at him all right here. You see him all right here? Look at that big one right there. Jonathan, that big one.
I got one. I got one.
Let me get out your way. Hold on.
There he is. There he is, John Boy. I got too close to him. That's so cool. I've never really seen one of turtles before. I've always caught them on the bottom.
There was 3 of them. There was a big one.
Yeah, that